Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and a sound test review of the Comica CVM-WS50. This is a wireless microphone for your smartphone. Let's get it started. Okay, so in this video today, I'll be doing an unboxing of this wireless microphone as well as doing a sound test review using the iPhone 6s. Now, I'm currently on the iPhone 6s right now doing the unboxing, so the recording you're hearing right now is from the microphone of the iPhone 6s. However, once I get it unboxed and everything, and we'll see the difference between the sound quality from the front camera using this versus the regular microphone. So, as you see right here, 6 channels. Down here at the bottom, it shows some more specs. Has a working distance of up to 60 meters, has a built-in smartphone holder, stepless volume adjustment, real-time audio monitor, lithium batteries, and an LCD display. You can see right here it comes with 2. One goes to the back of the phone, to a 3.5mm headphone jack, and one hooks to your belt with microphone. Yeah, wireless transmitting, so really nice stuff there. Go ahead and turn the box around. You'll see here working distance up to 60 meters, 30 meters, and a barrier area. Everything else I pretty much hit on except for the extendable for connection with LED light, grip, tripod, cold shoe, etc. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery, portable, and light. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. And so what you'll get in the box is a really nice case that zips up. So we'll go ahead right now and see what all comes inside. So yeah, really nice stuff here. You got all your cords right here, microphone, and you have a little card here with your Comica user manual right there. And here's everything else, okay? Here is your tripod that comes with it. So really nice little mini tripod that it comes with. Pretty heavy as well. I mean, it's not a really light tripod. It's pretty heavy. And here you get the one transmitter that hooks to your cell phone, and you have the one that hooks to your belt, which you see a little belt clip back here. So yeah, let's go ahead and zip all this up and we'll look at how everything works. Okay, so here's everything that comes into the box. Got your tripod, you have your charging cable here, micro USB, you have a 3.5 to 3.5 here, as you can see right there as well. Got your microphone, your 2 transmitters here, and you got a little windshield here. If you go outside and it's windy, you can use that to kind of quieten things down a little bit. Now I'm going to show you how this works. Now you got to pair these 2 up together. One hooks, of course, to your cell phone, one hooks to your belt clip, and we're going to do that test here in just a moment. But right now, I want to show you how you clip on this. Okay, so you can see up top here, you got this thing here that screws in, screws out. But first of all, got your power button here, got your set button here. On the left side, you have an output. You also have your micro USB charging port on the bottom, 3.5mm headphone jack, and on top here is your volume, as you can see right there. This right here will extend out, as you can see right now. Notice here how far it extends, but then you can twist out this side here and this side here, and then you just put your smartphone in here just like that. See if I can get it just a little bit looser here. There we go. Tie it back down, and it hooks to your smartphone just like that. So it's a very sturdy, and it stays in place really well and makes your phone heavy. So I'll go ahead and tell you that right now. And of course, on the bottom right there is your tripod mount. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and power both of these on. This is on channel 2. This is on channel 0. It's blinking. Whenever I go to channel 2, it should stop blinking. And there we go. They're both connected, hooked up, and ready to go. Now, these here are primarily for smartphones. There are other variations of this that are made for DSLRs. These here may work for them too as well. However, you know, if you want to try it, you can. There's other variations of these here that work for DSLR cameras. And these here, of course, are specifically designed for smartphones. But let's go ahead right now, turn the camera around, we'll hook this up to the iPhone 6s, and we'll check the sound quality out. Okay, so I'm about 5 foot away right now from the iPhone 6s. It is not plugged in at the moment. I'm sitting here right now, touching the microphone, not hearing no scratching, nothing like that. So this is the iPhone 6s. So let's go ahead, plug it in, and see how it sounds. Okay, so the microphone is now turned on. I'm the same distance away from the iPhone that I was before. Mic's in the same spot as you see right here. I'm not talking very loud, okay? The volume's about 50%, I want to say, and this is the quality you can expect. Now, I have heard a few snippets here and there before doing this part, and it sounded pretty decent. It sounded pretty good, very clear on my end. At a later date, another video, I may go out where I can test it out further to see how far it does actually reach. This is a really nice little setup here if you got a smartphone and you got a microphone where you can go longer distances. If you like to vlog a lot, this is a really nice setup right here. Yeah, it clips to your belt, put it in your pocket or whatever. And you can also mute it. Right under the power button is a mute button. And yeah, so I mean, this is the audio quality you can expect from this product. So yeah, that's it. This has been an unboxing and sound test review of the Comica CVM-WS50 wireless transmitter for your smartphone. If this has been helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. I'll also put a link down in the description for this product if you're interested in buying something like this for yourself. But yeah, any questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.